Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Aaron Herman. How do you help people with special needs? OrCam created a truly innovative technology called OrCam MyEye 2.0. And as you can see, it is so small. And not only does it take sort of your environment and explain what is around you, it reads to you and just enhances people who can't see. We're going to learn more about OrCam. OrCam is transforming the way people with special needs are actually able to almost see. And you just came out from CES and won Last Gadget Standing. Tell us about OrCam and its new product.
So OrCam is a wearable, discrete device that helps blind and partially sighted people read, recognize faces, recognize money, recognize products, and in a nutshell, we give them more independence. OrCam, the device is this size. You have here a very device size of lipstick or cigarette lighter. One side you have a small camera, on the other side you have a speaker, and the user is attaching the device using magnets to his glasses. So this way the device is following his gaze, and we make sure that the device would see what the user wants to see. Then I'll show you in a minute how the device is reading. I am using gestures to activate the device. If I'll point like this on text, the device will start reading.
I can get a quick view of the newspaper without all of the strain. I made my email from my smartphone on the go on the OrCam MyEye device.
If I want to stop, I would use this stop sign like this and will stop the reading. The device is also capable of facial recognition, identifying the people in front of the user. And here pointing is not polite, so we use tapping. And I'm going to tap and look at Aaron.
A man is in front of you.
He's a man.
Yes, I am. So this is fascinating. First of all, it is so compact, and when you're looking at sort of AI and how it's transforming sort of the industry and machine learning and all the different things, it just it fits in your pocket. And you know when it scanned me and said I'm a male, and when it read your promotional material here, how does it actually scan it? Like what's the process in sort of the scan?
So basically the device is active all the time, looking at the environment, and when you trigger it, it would make the analysis. So when I use my pointing like this, I would trigger the device. And it would start analysis. Now there is nothing in front of me right now, so it won't tell me anything.
Right.
But I promise to show you show me the money, as we say. So if I look here on this currency,
Wow.
it will tell me that it's $1. So.
And how does it know it's $1? Just it understands the environment.
So basically, it's pattern recognition. That $1 looks differently than $5, I think. Yeah, whenever you look.
Yeah. Wow.
Notice there are two ways that I activated it. The one way is what we call automatic, and when the device sees text or an item in front of him for more than 3 seconds, it will start the analysis automatically. I can also trigger it with my finger. Another function of the device is imagine you're blind or partially sighted, and you have the OrCam MyEye 2, you want to use it. So you use it for reading, you use it to recognize your family and colleagues and friends. But you also want to go shopping. And when you go shopping, you want to know what do you have or in your kitchen, you want to know what products do you have in your hand, and you don't see. Several ways to do that. One is read the text on the boxes. Another way is read the barcode.
Random links that equals half singles 24 CT.
Wow.
So that's about product recognition and
And this was just a barcode. This wasn't. This was just a straight scan.
Yeah.
So understanding what it is through the
so
barcode.
we have a library of
Yeah.
3 million barcodes in this small tiny device. And very nice feature, again, when you're sighted, you're not aware of the need. But if you're a blind person, how do you read time? And our device will do it this way.
The time is 6:31 p.m.
So what you see here, the device recognizes my knuckles, and of course every computer has time, so it reads the time for me.
Sure. So talk a little bit about what's happening now with the company in terms of like partnerships and where you're going. You know, your first version was larger,
Yes.
and now you've got much more compact. And so where's the company going now?
I'm very confident, and I know for sure that the company is investing a lot in developing the technology. I think it's the biggest investment in this industry of assistive technology. We have a team of about 100 people in R&D. So of course I cannot disclose the R&D plans, but I want to assume that 100 people,
Right.
100 engineers will do
They
something.
do something every day, right?
So that's one. For me and my team here in the US, it's like bringing in new technology to the market and all the challenges that comes with it. Creating brand awareness, creating acceptance, creating recognition, building distribution channels. I'm pleased to say that, last year here in the US alone, we have recruited, so today in the US alone, we have a range of few thousand users. And all of them are happy. And this device made, the OrCam MyEye 2.0 made the difference in their life.
And where can people purchase OrCam?
So purchasing, it's one step, but for us as a company that wants to make sure that the blind and partially sighted people would really enjoy the product, when we deliver the product, it comes with personal training.
That's right.
So we have access, we have across all the states in the US, we have channels that sell the product and deliver and train the users.
And so
If you want to learn more about us or contact us, you should go to our website, www.orcam.com, ORCAM.
okay. And so you're an Israeli company, and Israelis are known for their innovation. What do you think drives Israeli innovation?
So, when I think about Israel, now it's off my job, okay, I'll give you my perspective. So think about Israel, and sometimes when you don't have anything, it can be an advantage. So people all the time look at, and I don't have this, and I
Right.
don't have this, but you can turn it to an advantage. So when 50 years ago, you're a country that is well developed and you have industries and everything is going well, you don't have any motivation to do anything else. It's working, why change? If you think about Israel, there was nothing or very little. So there was, I call it the necessity. And you add to the necessity, you add the fact that you have the talent and you have the culture. And together, that's I think what's happening. It's innovation. You can be innovative if sometimes you have to be uncomfortable to
Right.
be innovative. So this is my personal.
as you can see, OrCam is an incredible company. You can learn more about OrCam at OrCam.com. This is Arnold Herman, and thanks for watching.